Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on the link, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. We're about to see what's inside. They got back to school sales going on. Holiday sales, you name it. Check them out. And we shall see what this is. That was easy. What is this? Is this a camera day? Oh boy. Here we go. Portable camera, long-lasting, battery-powered home security camera. Is this FuVision? Yep. Mini camera wire, SD cloud. These are the ones you don't need internet service, so I found that out. Aha. They got this style. The D1 District 1. Good old mighty ducks. So it should be the same like the other setup. Easy peasy. Super lightweight cameras. You guys will not be disappointed at all with these. Here we go. Portable cam. We got the USB. We got some screws. A little swivel mounting bracket, tripod, whatever you want to call these. There you go. Now the cam. So you're going to install the app. It's called U-Box. Once you register, you're all set to go. They got cloud service, TF cards, spot. Oh, this is a nice one. Super lightweight cams, guys. You can install these anywhere. Your garage, your shed, your business, your home, kids' room, gaming room. Anywhere that needs protection. No internet needed. Here's the back. Off and on. Pretty simple. Reset key. There we go. Slide this thing in. I think. Oh, now where it is. There you go. One click. You know the rules. There we go. Let's see if I can do it. Let me grab my tablet. Here is the app. Click on that. It's going to come up there. My other camera right now, it's online. And just go hit the add button. You can set up Wi-Fi, set up 4G. So you can use your phone, other devices, tablets. Here we go. Set up Wi-Fi. Because I mean, I'm going to use it at home, so I don't need to set up anything else. So I'm going to do the blue. Is it blinking? Yes. Then you can name your device. I'm just going to go generic. And then make sure you got your internet remembered. Device. Next. Here we go. It's going to start doing this. Boom. Gotta zoom it in. Alright guys, once it connects, Hit OK. And then it's online. Here we go. Got the speaker. Hello. Hello. Switch a TF card. You can switch voices. Pressing that. Turn the volume. Settings are here. Device alarm. On. You could do night vision mode. So we are good. Now we're going to flip it. Look at that. No wires. You can put this thing anywhere. Really cool. Super lightweight. Great for your kids' room. Especially on newborns. You got an extra eye for you. Alright, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Click the link and take it easy.